I'm Raman Gill. Welcome to episode 19 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the analysis and deliberate practice of 10,000 trades. In this episode, I will share with you one of my favorite trade setups called Pinbars. We will take a look at how to identify a Pinbar. When do you trade this? What is the best time frame to trade this on? And how to enter the trade, where to put your stop loss, and most importantly, where do you exit the trade profitably? So let's go on over to the charts now. This is an example of a Pinbar trade setup. We are looking at Euro US dollar 5-minute chart. In this example, we have the price consolidating for a bit, and then we see a big move to the upside, and after that a big pin bar. Here you can see that the price tried to push up, however the sellers came in and pushed the price down, and we close with a big rejection pin here. In this case, we would take a trade at the close of this candle. You could also wait for a bit of a pullback before you enter the trade short. However, taking a trade at the bottom of the candle is just fine. So you enter the trade right here once the pin bar closes. You do want to wait for the pin bar to close properly so that we know that it is an actual pin bar. Once you enter the trade, you put your stop loss a few pips above the pin here. You want to make sure you give your trade enough room to move around just in case it goes and tests this level again. Stop loss goes up here, you enter the trade here, and then as you can see, price just drops here. Price then pushes up slightly here. However, it is not an engulfing candle, so we'll stay in the trade. It pushes through our support and resistance level and then comes back and back tests it again. Test the same level from the other side and stays below. Here the price is staying below the support and resistance line, which is good for our trade, which shows that our trade may continue lower. And as we can see, price continues lower, and then it starts to become range bound. Here it seems like the price has hit this low level here and is not willing to break the support and resistance level, and instead starts to push up higher. So at this point, we would exit our trade, close our trade out, because we have seen a few green candles now, and it's time to close the trade out. And as we can see, price just goes range bound after that. In this trade, we get 84 pips from entry to exit. It's 84 pips, which means we have profit of $840 if you're using one standard lot. So just to reiterate, we are waiting for a pin bar to show up. In this case, once the pin bar is formed, we put our stop loss few pips above the pin bar. We enter at the bottom of the candle here. We could also wait for a bit of a pullback, which is what I love doing. However, you can enter right at the bottom of the pin bar here, and you're staying in the trade till you see a reversal pattern on the other side. So once we start seeing these green candles, we exit the trade and we get 84 pips in our trade. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more episodes like this, please like, comment, and subscribe below. I hope you enjoy the trade. I look forward to sharing more with you in the next episode.